How we doing today, man? Dude, it is days like this that get me pumped up, that get me excited to say that this is what I'm trying to do, that this is what I want my job to be. I love this, man. I love doing this. These are the days. It's a beautiful day. I want to just start out real quick and just talk about all the things that I am grateful for. Trading for today, right? Being able to sit down and trade, being able to get better. I got to go out in the morning and get a haircut, right? It doesn't look good right now because it's shampooed, and you guys, I don't know, when I shampoo my hair, it makes me look stupid. But I got a haircut, getting ready for my birthday, right? My birthday's on May 8th. I'm going to be out of town for a little bit. I'm going on a cruise. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for my accounts all being green. All three of the accounts I'm using right now. Four technically. And there's some Champions League soccer tonight. My team's not in it, but there's Champions League soccer to watch, and I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to run, man. Life is beautiful, right? I want to just start out by saying this real quick. Life is beautiful because there's so many times where I don't feel like this, right? Great days in the charts remind me that life can get better, that life is, like, you know what I mean? Like, I can see success and happiness that other people see, right? I just want to make that clear. I deal with a lot of stuff day in, day out. I'm just like you guys, man. Everybody's the same. Everybody has issues, right? When people say, oh, you're not alone. You're not alone, man. I mean, don't let this fool you. I have no money. We had a great day today across all the accounts we made. Let's just add it up, right? We made 118 on this account, copied, right, to our combine, 120. So let's add this up, man. And again, I like to celebrate the small wins. People were going to say, don't let it get to your head. You guys are seeing consistency come in to my trading that's never been here before. And don't worry, I'm going to go over every single trade I took. But I just want to take a second here, man, because this is special. Plus 120. Plus I made, look at this. Look at the streak on the Alpha Futures Combine. $227 more today. And on the Apex account, we made $50. So we didn't go crazy there. But that's $515. Plus yesterday's 630, that's $1,100 in 2 days, dude. It blows my mind. It blows my mind, bro. And look at this, dude. We are halfway to passing this. Trading micros. One trade today, micro and Q, right? 4 micros. We made 200. We didn't hit our last runner. If we hit our last runner, we're having a $300+ day. Yesterday, 3 micros, $95, $100, $129 on all the micros, just killing it. Micros on this trade again. 3 micros, 1 micro, right? Just killing it, bro. I'm just super happy with the progress I've been making. That's it, man. That's it. I just love to try and remember, because sometimes, again, man, I'm telling you, this journey is going to bring you to your knees and kick you down and kick you in the teeth, man. It's going to make you want to quit. It's going to make you question what you're doing with your life. It's going to make you question every single decision you've ever made. And I just want to let you know, just keep going, man. Just keep going. I'm not where I need to be. I'm not done yet. I got a lot more learning to do. I got a lot more work to put in. But everything's starting to piece together, man. I'm feeling super blessed. I'm feeling super grateful that I've been documenting this. And again, nothing's done. Job isn't finished. We're not done yet. We still got a lot of work to do, but everything's piecing together, dude. And again, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to be 100% honest and transparent with every single thing that's happening with my monetary stuff, right? I want to be the most transparent person out there. This month's going to be my biggest month on YouTube. I'm probably going to see close to $400. I don't think we'll squeeze 400, but who knows, right? Depending on how these videos do, who knows? We have 3 more days. But this is still already my biggest month. Last month we were getting 330, right? We're already past that, and we still have 2 more days. Just unbelievable there. And the only other way I make money through social media currently is my Alpha Futures code. And 7 of you guys, well, 6, 1 including me, have used the code. And that's brought my total to $174. I'll show you guys here, right? Going on Safari. I'll show you guys. It loads up. Cool. Affiliate. Here. Affiliate code, $74. And that's this month. That's 7 conversions. Again, if you guys use my code, please screenshot it, because I'm giving away an account. Once I get $500 in commission, I'm giving away an account. So please screenshot and send it to me, because I really appreciate it. I want you guys to be in the giveaway. Right now, there's only 1 person. So he's going to win the account. I only have 1 screenshot sent to me. So, but I just wanted to talk about this really quick in the video at the start, because don't lose hope. Don't lose confidence in what you're doing. Don't lose the vision, right? Everything is slow. I've been doing this for a year and a half. I've been making content for a year, and this is my first month where I'll probably get close. I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna get very close to $500 this month. That blows my mind. I'm so grateful for it because, again, that's not retiring me or my family, but that is showing that the process is important, showing that the consistency pays off, right? And we had our best 2 weeks. We've having our best 2 weeks of trading ever. Across everything, we're up 1,400. We're up 643, and we're up 100 on both accounts. That's my best month ever, by best 2 weeks by far. And it's only happening because I keep showing up. You guys have seen me fail day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, all the time. I'm gonna keep failing. I'm gonna keep learning, but I'm getting better. It's so nice to see. It's so nice to see. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful for it because I've been working so hard, and I have to just keep showing up. I have to just put my trust in God's plan for me and just keep showing up, keep trying my best, right? And again, my plan is to keep everything so transparent. Right now, I'm making money through ad revenue and through my affiliate code on Alpha Futures. The only reason I have an Apex account is because I'm in the works of getting an Apex code. So if you guys use Apex, look out for that, right? Because I'm gonna get one of those soon. They're working on the stuff on the back end, but they're helping me out. And the only way I'm able to get these codes, because my code on Alpha Futures gets you a discount. If you go and buy an account, you'd have to pay full price. If you use my code or anyone's code, but if you want to use mine, you use mine. It gets you 10% off. Why is that? Because I emailed these companies, and how did I get this? I got it because of my YouTube channel, because of you guys watching every single day, just liking the videos, commenting, engaging, just showing consistent viewership. I send in my YouTube link. They see the 4,000 subscribers. They see the fact that, I pull consistent views and post every day. And they say, yeah, we'd love to give you a deal. They don't just do that for everyone. So I'm super blessed, man. And again, this is just the start, but I'm super, super thankful for all you guys. That reminds me, we just hit 250 more subscribers. So that's another quarter in the jar. And we haven't even started the video yet. We're 7 minutes in. I think that this is more important than what I'm going to talk about today. Honestly, I think that this is more important because this is the process, right? My trading's getting better. My social media is doing better. We started posting TikToks. We post TikToks for a week. It's not going. My most viewed video is 1,000 views. I posted a video yesterday that didn't even get 100 views. But we started. We're taking action. We're doing it. Right? We are actually doing it. We're taking action, trying to take our steps towards our dream of what we're trying to accomplish for ourselves. And I'm super, super excited that I can just document this. And that's why I wasted so much time in this video to talk about. But I just really want to emphasize just being grateful. And yeah, just be grateful for all the things that you're doing and realize that it's going to continue to pay off, right? It's going to pay off. I've been doing this for almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. I've not made $1 trading yet. But everything's starting to slowly come together. I will make money trading. It's going to happen. And again, that's why I love documenting it. So this is another quarter, 4,250 subscribers. We gained a ton of subs yesterday. It was crazy. I didn't think we'd even get the 250 by today, but here we are, going in the jar. Starting to fill up, man. Our goal, obviously, 100,000 subscribers. Is it possible? I don't know, man. But I'm going to keep posting until I get there. Maybe it takes 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 6 months. I appreciate all you guys that watch these videos, man. Now, let's get into it. Enough rambling. I just wanted to talk about being grateful because I think that is so important because, again, I have so many days on this journey over the last 2 years where I didn't know if posting YouTube was worth it. I didn't know if social media was worth it. I didn't know if trading was worth it. I didn't know if I was worth it. I'm nowhere near where I want to be. I'm nowhere done. But I'm just telling you, when you feel... It's kind of like that TikTok trend, like that. This is the whole point, right? You've seen that if you're on TikTok. This is the whole point. Seeing progress. You remember, okay, this is possible. This is what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm working towards, right? Remember what you're working towards whenever you can, because there's going to be a lot of times on the journey where you forget what you're working towards. Enough yapping, man. I really appreciate anyone that watched through that section, but now we can get into the charts, man. So here we go. I missed the first 30 minutes of market open today. I had to get a haircut to get this going. I mean, it's going to look better. I promise. It's going to look better. It's just, it got shaped up on the sides. The back of the hair is better. It was looking crazy, man. It was looking crazy. Here we go, though. Here we go. What was I looking at coming into the day? We are going to get rid of all of this, and we're going to go to the NQ chart. So what was I looking at coming into the day? Well, I'm honestly a little bearish, right? A little bearish, but coming into the day, I was recognizing where price is. I want to see us pull into this 1 hour and 4 hour gap eventually throughout the week. I want to see something, right? We are super bullish the last little bit. This week right here, this move hasn't been rebalanced, and we're right above this buy side liquidity. So I could expect a pullback into the range. And we have nice stacked lows, 3 of them now, so I expect it to be more bearish. But I marked out this 1 hour gap to see some sort of reaction. I needed to see us run through this gap early in the morning to validate shorts. I needed to see us validate shorts, right? We end up having a very bullish close out of this. So now I'm long bias, right? Why also was I long bias? Well, we had equal highs on NQ or ES right here, equal highs, right? So we swept those eventually, and we have the high from previous day. We had an SMT here, and we sold off to the 1 hour gap, and we displaced higher. So I was expecting that this would become the draw in liquidity, and we would be bullish, right? That's why I flipped my bias bullish. Where was my first loss? Because my first trade of the day, right, was along those ideas. I waited, 10 o'clock opened, 10 o'clock manipulated down lower, right? 10 o'clock manipulated into a 15-minute gap right here. Beautiful 15-minute tap right here. And then we get a perfect change of state delivery right here. Technically, it's this one, but you know, if you want to just go off this one, right, you get change of state delivery. It retrades down to it. You could enter there. If you entered there, right, that would have been a better trade. I didn't take this one. This is the 10 a.m. power of 3 to perfection. You'd have your stop around here, and you target a 2R, right, and you hit the trade, right. You'd probably target this even, or this. Wherever you want to target, right? You would get it. That was beautiful. Then what do? I take this trade, right? We inverse. This is my first trade. We inverse this 5-minute gap right here. We inverse the 5-minute. I do believe we inverse this 15-minute gap as well. And we make a 5-minute gap. So I'm going to take this off. We make a 5-minute. Oh, we didn't even make the 5-minute. We didn't retrace to the 5-minute yet. But what we did do is we had this 1-minute gap overlining all the inversions. I took this trade here. This is not the worst trade, but it's not a great trade. We have this fair value gap. We end up holding, and then I enter off of this inversion fair value gap. I enter there, and I instantly lose, right? I instantly lose right here. Do I love this trade? No. Do I hate this trade? Still no, right? I was going to target a 1-to-1. I was going to target 33 points, get my $200 day, and dip. I don't mind this trade. Why? Because we have the highs in place. We had a decent pullback to a fair value gap. If we were super, super bullish, all we need to do is reject off of this, right? This previous resistance, return support. We get a nice reaction. I enter there. I have nothing wrong with this trade. I have nothing wrong with this trade. Through experience, it's told me that this trade is lower probability, yes. But again, I have nothing wrong with this trade. I followed my rules. I held my stop, and I got stopped out. And we moved on from it. We didn't do anything dumb. Then what I do? I recognize, cool, we have just now inversed this gap and we have data lows. So I didn't want to take this trade on my combine or my XFA because this wasn't exactly what I was looking for going to the day. I wanted a higher price after we got this move out of the 1 hour gap and we got this displacement and we've been displacing higher, right? But what did I do? I took this and now I'll pull up the video. Pull up the first one here of this loss right here. Pull up the loss here. So we got in, risking $200. We got really blessed actually because it only lost $118 or $185 right here. I was really hoping it would get a nice little pop up, but it didn't. And we end up getting a stop out, but it only lost $185. So we were risking $200, but it gave us a little bit of money back. So really cash back right on that trade. So really cool there. This was the next trade on the combine or on the what's it called? Alpha Futures Combine. What did we see? We saw this, right? We saw this order block get put in after rejecting, right? We have an inversion fair value gap here. We invert this gap. We reject the CE of that, and we reject this order block once, twice, third time, fourth time we close below. I enter there. That's why I enter the trade. And yeah, we'll just watch out how I manage this trade. So I end up managing this trade nice here. I end up taking one off at the fair value gap and then go break even. But yeah, we get pretty much instant flush right here. pretty much instant flush. We took our first take profit. I mainly take the take profit there just so I was minimizing risk. I didn't really want to be in 4 after I realized how much I was risking. But then also too, just to secure a profit. And then now we're up 170 bucks on this trade. And we're just letting it play out. I can't remember exactly how I take profit here. I end up taking profit at this green candle body low, I believe. I can't remember. We end up edging my take profit, and then we end up hitting it here. So we took our second contract off, and then I think we take another one off. Oh, we took another one off anyways. Okay, where did I get that one out? Oh, I end up just selling one here. I end up dragging this one up when we got the flush lower, and I end up just market exiting one, I believe. Let's see, how does this happen? I end up just dragging this up. Or no, I put one in right there at this body high. Okay, so that's how we TP. Then we do get this body low, and we hit the trade, and we leave our runner. We end up, this is where I could have made more money. We end up getting an inversion, or we get an SMT, and I close the trade there. We get an SMT, right? ES swept the data low, NQ didn't. That was now the framework for my actual trade, which I post on Twitter. If you follow me over there, I post on there every single day. And I just said prayers for your boy because I was down on the day already. I was a little bit nervous, but we took a monster trade, right? I will show you guys this SMT real quick. Right here, you see this on ES, grab that low, and NQ didn't. So what did I wait for? I waited for a change state delivery, and I entered off this. Why did I enter off this? We have an SMT. I'm still bullish. I still think that this is just a retracement to keep going higher, and to see this high and then higher. I'm surprised we dip lower anyways after this, but this was my target. And we get in because we still have great risk, right? Risking $200 again, entered right off that close. This is interesting because I wasn't risking that many points, but we're targeting this is really weird. Okay, this is really weird. I guess M and Q is different. Maybe different candle sizes. Or maybe I entered a little early. No, I didn't. Yeah, this is what my trade was going to look like. I don't know why it was. Yeah, this is what it was looking like. Same idea, right? Same thing. Inversion for value, or CISD. Change state delivery with an SMT. Still bullish on the day. And then, even better confirmation, we end up closing above this 2 minute here. We end up closing on this candle. Really, really like that close. And then we end up getting a 3 minute inversion here and a 5 minute. So we got in before all those. The 5 minute actually inverse here. This is really beautiful. My stop was in a great place at these lows. A great inversion. And I ended up taking my trade off here. A little bit of fear. Even though my TP would have had a $200 day if I let it play out. But I would have to sit through 15 or 20 more minutes of price action. And yeah, I was a little bit nervous. So I'll kind of walk us through this trade and then kind of explain what went wrong there and why I didn't hold, but also why I'm not considering it a rule break because I took profit above 1-to-1. It was like a 1.5. Really nice trade. Really, really happy with this trade. Really, really stoked on this trade. Right, we enter there. We get a nicer fill because it bounced down a little bit. We're risking a little bit more, right? I was trying to just give it as wide a stop as possible. And yeah, I was going to target 300 or 200 and I was down 185. I needed to make like 385 or something like that to end up being $200 a day, right? And 2R, right? Risking 200, make 400 per se. But yeah, just doing some math. And this is immediately a great reaction, right? As soon as I get into the trade, really good first candle. We end up inversing this 1 minute, I believe, right here. And we end up just really doing well. And that's our take profit. That would have guaranteed us a $200 day and obviously a profitable day. And we're just letting the trade do its thing, right? I'm really happy with this. Yeah, really, really happy with this trade. Why did I close the trade? We'll see, right? Well, I'll show you. Think about my position. I'm down, and this candle really starts, the next candle after this one really starts to expand. So, okay, here's just the framework of what's going on in my head. I am down $186. I took a nice, really good winner on Alpha Futures, so it kind of boosts my confidence, and at least I can end the day with something. But if I lose this trade, I'm down 400, which is cool. I'll step away. but I really don't want to lose. And now I'm up $100. So now I could end the day barely red. Get a great 5-minute close. I was really trying to pay attention. Okay, how's this 5-minute going to close? So now I'm just cool. I'm not going break even early. I have a really good stop. I really like the way this trade's looking. So we let the trade play out. At this time, right, this candle expands really well. You'll see this one. It's 25 points. That's $150 on 3 micros. That is a great expansion, right? And seeing $150 come into my trading account on quote unquote real money, that still mentally affects me, right? Because I know the value of $1. I know what $150 means. And if I'm making $150, I don't make it takes me so long to make $150 from YouTube. So it's like, you can't just remove that from your mind, right? So you can't just remove that from your psychology, seeing that. So this candle really expands, and now it means something, right? Because now I'm up, and this is why I take a screenshot. It's up $225 in seconds, 230. And I'm just like, okay, cool. Let me go over here. Let me skip through that. But yeah, so I was posting Twitter. I just don't want anything on there just in case it gives me whatever. And I'm up $300 now. I was down 180. So now I'm profitable on the day. I had a great trade. I'm really happy with the trade. And I just don't want to potentially lose on the day. So I'm just patient. Look, my stop's not even at break even yet. Are you guys proud of that? Are you guys proud of that? It's not even at break even yet. My stop loss is not at break even. But I see that we have these highs right here. These highs right here. These wicks. My take profit's right there. I'm like, oh my gosh. It's going to happen. Like, I can't believe this. $350 positive. I was like, man, this is about to be just one of the easiest trades of my life. And it's going to be a great trade. And I was considering flattening the trade right there. And I was just like, I don't know what I should do. I'm up $300. I'm up $100 on the day if I just close it right here. And I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know. What do I do? Right? And I ended up just waiting and waiting. I just closed the trade. Because we were so close to here, but we also, too, we could have just dumped. We could have just dumped all the way back down. We held above 1-to-1R, which is good. And we made profit on the day. So very, very happy with this trade. Would we have ended up making profit if we held? Right? Would we have made profit if we held the trade? We would have. We would have got in, and we got in here. We would have held the trade up to here. It would have gotten this would not have hit TP. This would have gotten within 1 point of TP. It would have dumped again, came back up again, dumped again, and then hit our take profit. So if we just held our trade, we would have made more money today. But I'm very happy with the progress I made on this account and the trade I took here, right? What do we take on the Apex account? I don't really need to even cover this account because I'm just kind of not doing anything, whatever. I just don't take it that serious. I took a long out of this fair value gap on ES here, instantly got ran through, lost on there, and then I just took a bunch of scalps to make my money back on that account. Nothing ever really came off too well, but a bunch of decent scalps. I took this inversion right here. I took an entry off of this around here, held, didn't hit my full take profit, trying to get the data lows. And then I took a inversion again here, small profit, and then I took an inversion here, small profit. Just a bunch of small scalps, right? Nothing crazy. I'm not worried about that Apex account. I only bought it so I could get the Apex code eventually. But yeah, man, I'm super, super excited with this day. I'm super happy with the progress. This is a pretty tricky day to navigate, really. I mean, we had the good price runs here and here and here, but everything else has been a little bit high resistance. Kind of makes sense time of day. But yeah, man, that was the day. That was the recap. That's what I was looking for, and that's everything, man. I love this job. I love this job. I'm gonna say it every single day. I'm so grateful for these opportunities that I've been given, that I've been blessed with, that I've been also making for myself. Right? I've been making these opportunities for myself. And, through just sticking to the plan, man. If you don't think that you can do it, I promise you can. Just keep working. Just keep trying. Just keep trying, dude. Just keep showing up. Yeah, man, I'm about to finish this, obviously, video. Gonna make my TikToks for the day. Hit my quota. Just keep grinding that out. See if we ever get any results. Right now, we're at like 70-something followers, which is cool. About like 300, 400 likes. Barely getting views on our videos, so it'll be cool to see how the progress goes on there. I'm gonna just not even worry about view count until 3 months, 4 months, and if it's really struggling, then I gotta reevaluate. But really happy with the day, man. And yeah, another five $500 day across all accounts. So you'll see in the title. I'm gonna use it, man. I'm gonna play into it. But yeah, man, the progress. These last 2 weeks have been my best 2 weeks ever trading. It's just gonna keep getting better. I just gotta keep focusing. Right, there's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be losing days, but just gotta keep pushing along. And you guys are seeing it. You guys are seeing the improvement day in, day out. Day in, day out. You guys are seeing this improvement. Look at this, bro. I hope that this is the screenshot that they have for my what's it called? For the thumbnail. I'm trying to get that thumbnail. Something like that, right? Something like that. Just, I don't make my thumbnails. I need to. I don't even know, dude. I don't even care. But hopefully this is the thumbnail because this looks insane. When have you ever seen one of my charts look like this? When has this happened? Not that often. And we're green on the other account, and we're green on the Apex account, and life is good, man. Life is good. Trading's good. What a day. What a day, man. But I got to continue with my day. So we already did the quarter in the jar. I already thank you guys and all that stuff earlier. Talked about how blessed it was. I don't need to do it all again, even though I want to. But I appreciate all you guys that watch videos. Please comment. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you watch my videos, if this is like your 5th or 10th video of you watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, just hit the button, man. It's free. It's free. It makes me feel good. But I appreciate all you guys. How did you guys do? Let me know in the comments. Like always, let me know. Did you guys find it easy today? Did you get wrecked? I don't think today was an easy day, but I don't think it was the hardest day ever. But I could definitely see how you would lose. I could see how I would lose. But again, man, as always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.